Hi everyone and welcome back to the Oh So and So. A busy day. I get 5 days off in a row and I am up and out of that bed early in the morning trying to figure out what I can get done for that day. And I've worked on the back deck. I went to town, got done what I need to. I'm washing clothes, as you can hear. And I decided I was going to pull everything out of my closet. And am I glad? Yes, let me show you. Now, it has been about 6 months since I have done this garage. I got the garage on the mind. My closet, okay? I took everything out. I kept my cowboy hats up there. And I think it's time to get rid of extra towels, okay? So, all the clothes are out. 6 months now. I am so glad that I am working on this. Now, I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, dust. Oh, but it's totally bad over here at the door. Look at that. Isn't that terrible? Okay, so I did want to show you while I was out today, I went to the thrift store and let me pick it up very carefully. It is a ceramic piece and somebody made it in, let me look, 1986. See? I wonder who that was. Oh. To Donna, happy Easter. Okay, so let me put it together. Now, it was only $1.50. Let me see if I can pick it up. See? It's a big old Easter egg. It's already painted brown. So I thought I would put my my mixture of brown on it because you can see where it is kind of white. All right, so, and I have been working on this back area at the back door. Let me turn it around. Okay, so after 4 years in the garage, I finally got the table out, glued what needed to be glued, and put it at the back door. Now, I'm still kind of working on it. Not quite sure what I want to do. And let me just move Todd's stuff so you kind of get a better visual. Alrighty, and I found some hooks. I kind of like it a lot better than what it was before. So we're working on that. Do I know what I'm going to put in those this time? I want to do something different. I mean, I've had bowls. I've had wood bowls. I've had cutting boards. So, but it definitely needs something. Okay, so back to this master bedroom. I had everything so nice and straight. I even changed the sheets. And then look what I did. Yeah. Yes. Okay, but this time, there are several shoes that I have not worn in a year. There's some clothes that I don't even know if I've ever worn it. Now, and let me tell you why. I don't know. But here is a linen coat. Look, it goes all the way down. Now, it's a nice cover up, but I get hot so quickly. And I thought, if I'm just going to donate it, what about if I cut it up and maybe do some kind of stitching on it and put it in frames? So that's what I'm going to do. I am going to clean this thing out. If I have not wore it, if I don't like it, if I feel like it doesn't look good on me, I'm getting rid of it. And yes, I cut my hair today. My hair was doing this, kind of like the Brady Bunch. And I thought, oh, no, 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 no. So I thought, okay, I just took some scissors and whack, whack, whack. Yeah, that's me. All right, so I'm going to get this cleaned up. I don't know what else I'm going to do today. I definitely want to paint that egg. And I don't know. Get the vacuum out. Do some dishes. Oh yeah. Where are they? I got a few. Where is it? Oh yeah, here it is. Let me turn it around. Okay. So I got some eggs, and I'd say these are kind of like terracotta. Let me set them down gently. And I got them at Marshall's because I didn't want anything real bright. But that's what I got today. Okay, so look, I got this little guy the other day. He's a rattler. Isn't that sweet? So when I was working on the deck, and I'm like, okay, what about this? This is a stone egg that was outside. And I'm like, yes, I think we can use that. I put one in there, and here's another one back here. So, I love using what I have. And, oh yeah, I got another one of these. Isn't that precious? This one's pink and the other one is blue. I know. It's so funny what you can find. I even did some of that. Oh yeah. And let me show you how that covered wagon turned out. You probably can't see it very well because of the light. Look, let me show you the details. That's a holster. And look, it has a gun. And then I got to thinking, oh my goodness. You probably couldn't see it then. Look, I had a little axe. So I put that there. And then of course, look, from the toy room, how perfect is that? Now, out there in that garage, I know that there is some small little bitty squares that has flour and sugar on them. Maybe if I can find them, I'll put them with that. And I just added a few things here. I was kind of rearranging a little bit, but I definitely wanted these out. I loved old tarnished silverware. Look at this one. These are old ice cream spoons. I used to make pens out of those and paint snowman heads. Alrighty. Okay guys, it's time for me to get off. I thought I would just pop on with a little bit of a small video so you know that I'm here. I'm just trying to tweak here and there because I'm wanting to do a home tour soon. So I hope you stay tuned for that. And let's pray for all of the people that are up north, dealing with that strong storm that is coming across. So guys, until then, I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe.